Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a lesson between drawing Snoopy and Venom as one character. So let's jump right into the lesson. Stay to the very end of the video. Let's do it. Okay, how's it going? We're going to go over how to draw Venom and Snoopy as one being, right? Like basically as if Venom took over Snoopy. So let's do it, okay? We're going to go through it together slowly. Stay to the very end. You're going to learn how to draw this funny character. So going to go right here, and we're going to start with Snoopy's profile. It's very famous, and I think it's kind of necessary, right? So we're going to go right here. We're going to draw a slight curve. Something like that, right? The front of Snoopy's nose. And then we're going to pull back around this area as well. So we're throwing that, something like that. Kind of looks like the letter C a little bit, right? And then we're going to curve slowly up here. And we're going to curve back here. Forgive me, by the way, if the sound is different. My microphone's broken, so I have to use the sound from the phone. So forgive me. All right, go right here, and let's keep going. And this is a decision I'm going to make right now, right? Do I want that ear sticking out, or do I not, right? That's kind of a difficult decision. It's a design decision because you're the designer, right? You're the designer when we kind of merge these together. And I am going to do that. I think I'm going to put the ear over here. So we're going to draw over here, start over here, curve down like a U shape, pulling up. Over here in this area, circle. And we're going to have that right there. And we're going to just fill that in. He's probably going to have like the anti-venom look. Right here. So far, so good. Now, if we're to look at his face, what would he have? He'd probably have a zigzag right here for the eye. Pull underneath here, up, like so. Cool, cool. Now we're gonna go over here, pull downward around that area. Pull downward around this area. Gonna go over here now. Curve back for his little body. Cool. They kind of have those characters in Peanuts, so that body shape in Peanuts. Outward and outward a bit, but it's smaller compared to the head, right? Don't forget to check out all the free stuff in the, by the way, in the description. There's a lot of free tools there to get you better at drawing. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to send me art, by the way, and I'll show it on the channel. If you send it to the email, I'll try to put that in the description as well. But yeah, absolutely. Go ahead and check those links out to make yourself a better artist. Curve down, pulling back up. So for the hand, line right here for the body. And we're going to pull downward here for the foot and line down here for the back of the, sorry, the leg, back of the leg and the front of the leg. So his feet look like breadcrumbs, like bread rolls. So we're going to draw a C shape and then almost a C shape on this side and put it together. Right on. Line down over here on this side and curve over here for the front. We're not going to throw the little lines for Snoopy's paws because his hands are going to be covered up, right, by the symbiote, you know, like a Venom symbiote. Let's go over here to the front of the face, curve, and we're going to fill that in like there. Now we're going to draw the mouth over here. So draw a line up, down. He's just gonna be smiling. We're not gonna have him with a tongue right now. We're just gonna have the smiling, and he's gonna have like an evil kind of. Actually, we are gonna have the tongue. So we're gonna go over here now, and now we're gonna start drawing like sharp teeth right here along the top, over here along the bottom, like so. And that darkness is going to be an open mouth. So right here, I'm going to draw tongue outward, pulling back, kind of making it like it's going in between there, right? There's a last minute change, so that line's just going to have to stay there. Maybe about this point, you can just kind of darken it out, right? Because it's so far in the recesses of his mouth, right? Okay. Okay, let's do the big line on the outside right here. So we're going to draw a line, more or less kind of tracing along where the character is. I guess we can run this one together. And maybe a line over here. Very thin. There needs to be kind of a, well, no, that one can butt up against it, I guess, just on this side. And we're filling in the areas, but leaving a thick line where we can to show kind of the shape of everything. We have a sticker, by the way, in the store. Go take a look at the main link on the main page. I don't know if that's in the description. It's at sketchmonsterart.com. I'm going to fill in this area. And that sticker is Snoopy and Chainsaw Man. And the Chainsaw Snoopy. Really cool sticker. Go pick it up. I'm not going to have it up forever, so go take a look at it. See, I'm filling in this area, but I'm leaving that line right there in order to kind of create that separation. Otherwise, you're just going to have like a silhouette. Going over here, just being careful with it. Since I'm using marker, it's kind of have to be careful, right? Because I don't want to slip and, you know, I just merge shapes for no reason. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, and absolutely comment. I want to hear your comments. I want to be like, hey, what's up? How's it going? I love hearing what you have to say. Line right there. And then lastly, let's go to the front over here. And I'm going to draw a line on the outside here as well. Let me fill in the top of the stuff over here, top of the head. So a lot of this is going to be just filling it in. It's not like you have to do this, by the way. You can just draw the line. It'd be totally fine. But one other thing I want to say is I want you to remember to have fun with these. They're so long. There's such a huge time in my... I'm going to fill this in. There's such a huge time in my drawing career where I just didn't really have a lot of fun. And it was mostly because I had to finish stuff. I had to do this. And I kind of came at it from a negative mindset. So I really hope that you have a positive mindset when you're drawing. It's good to keep that fun. It's not like, you know, don't put any pressure on yourself to get better. Just let yourself get better. And yeah, I hope you're, you know, doing okay with that, because it is really important. And this stuff is a lot of fun to do. Hold on, almost, okay? Almost there. Stay with me. And that is it. That's a Venom Snoopy. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Oh, I'm sorry. Stay around for the next drawing lesson, okay? Let's get started on the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.